distinguished guests, friends from academia, media, industry, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning to all of you. This global conference and exhibition is a platform which provides an opportunity to all present over here to learn and discuss about advancements in metro and railway systems, emphasizing a green and sustainable future. I extend my heartfelt thanks to the organizers for inviting me to share Delhi Metro Rail Corporation's journey in transforming urban mobility through innovation and strategic partnerships. I will first talk about the urban mobility challenge. About 50% of the world's population live in urban areas, and by 2050 this will rise to 70%. In case of India, this is 35% and would become 50% by 2050, and Delhi, of course, at present is 40%, and by 2050 we expect 50%. So you can imagine what sort of challenges and pressure would be on the infrastructure with such a rapid growth of urbanization. We require a very robust mobility solution for catering to the connectivity of people in urban areas, to go to their workplaces, to home for social events and other factors. And not only a robust transport solution or mobility solution, but it should tackle crowding, pollution, and also improve the environment. So DMRC was born in 1995, a joint venture between Government of India and Delhi government, and operates one of the world's largest metro network, spanning over 395 kilometers and 290 stations. And by end of phase 4, we would be about 570 kilometers with 416 stations. And you can understand how the network has progressed, because today we are having 29 interchange stations for people to navigate their journeys, and after phase 4 we will be having 44 interchange stations. So we would become, after phase 4, the largest metro system in the world, overtaking New York and London metro, other than few Chinese metros, which are at present way ahead, around 800 kilometers or so, like Beijing and Shanghai. Today I would discuss how DMRC leverages cutting-edge technology and collaborations to enhance efficiency, accountability, and sustainability, aligning with our mission and vision. Our first section from Shadra to Teeshazari opened in 2002, revolutionizing not only the modern transit system in India, but also the construction and execution practices of projects in India by imbibing global best practices like proper barricading, implementing the safety, health, and environment protocols in true spirit, stakeholder engagement, and use of machines for quality. Since then, the network has grown exponentially, connecting Delhi and other regions of NCR. The key milestones I would talk to you are, like in 2007, DMRC became the first metro system worldwide to receive ISO 14001 certification for environmental management and registered under the United Nations Clean Development Mechanism, earning carbon credits for regenerative braking and modal shift. So far, we have offset about 92 lakh tons of carbon emissions, and we have been able to sell around 38 lakh tons and earn about 29 crores from this. We maintain a punctuality at a rate of 99.95% with rigorous safety and reliability protocols ensuring passenger trust. In terms of cost recovery, we stand 5th in rank if we compare the global metros. We are, in fact, a member of a community of global metros called COMET. It is having at present 34 member countries. There we rank 5th, as I told, in terms of cost recovery. And in terms of operating cost per passenger kilometer, we are 3rd. In terms of incidents causing delay, in fact, the number of million car kilometers traveled between these incidents, we come, and energy consumption per passenger kilometer, we are at 3rd rank, and we are 1st in providing barrier-free facilities for differently abled. So initiatives like information systems and mobile apps have enhanced our customer experience. Our achievements reflect our commitment to excellence, setting the stage for innovative advancements. Delhi, with a population exceeding 20 million, faces significant transportation challenges, traffic congestion, air pollution, and need for efficient public transit. With vehicle density over 400 per kilometer square, private vehicles contribute to gridlocks and emissions. DMRC addresses these issues by offering sustainable, reliable operations, reducing reliance on private transport through innovative solutions and strategic partnerships. Innovation drives DMRC's mission to enhance urban mobility. I would discuss some of our advancements. We use technology not only as a tool, but as a transformative framework. Safety is always paramount. We use predictive analysis, and safety is our bedrock, and technology helps us in achieving safe and reliable services, in providing safe and reliable services. Here we, in this field of innovations, we in fact have indigenized the automatic train supervision system, and we have an IATS system which we launched in 2023 in our red line. And by doing this, we have become the 6th country in the world to have this technology. And I would like to tell you, share with you, that this ATS system is much more versatile than the ATS system provided by, say, Siemens, Alstom, Bombardier. So we hope that in future we will provide this to all other metro companies in India as well as globally. We have also started unmanned train operations. In project, we use STAMP software, a system to, in fact, execute and monitor the projects effectively. We have started single pier stations, because this, in fact, is helpful for the public also, because the road occupation time as well as, in fact, area is much less by these stations. Then U-girders, which is, in fact, able to launch it quickly, and also it is cheap. We have integrated flyover with PWD. Then we have started using more and more of precast elements to, in fact, improve our quality and also disruption at the site where in situ otherwise construction was being done. We have started using launcher for U-girders, which again helps in not occupying the road by cranes for a longer period. Then we have also started using fiber reinforced concrete. Similarly, we use world-class maintenance practices, that is smart maintenance systems. We have gone in for condition-based maintenance, and as a result, we have used a lot of IoT and AI algorithms to improve our maintenance and to optimize it. Few examples are axle bearing temperature alerting and monitoring system, automatic wheel profile measurement system, advanced remote health monitoring system for signaling, rail check system and advanced rail inspection system for safety and efficiency. So it is a system which talks, which tells about its health to our maintenance team so that proper attention can be given and proper timely attention can be given. In phase 4, our trains are equipped with on-board diagnostics. So we know about the wheel, about the bearing wear and tear, and also the pento misalignment well before some catastrophe occurs. Then we have Super SCADA for monitoring the electrical assets and lift and escalators. We have developed Trinetra, which is a platform for monitoring KPIs. Then we also have DRISHTI, which is a data stack and which helps us in monetizing data also. Regenerative braking we had from the very beginning, and as a result 40% of energy now, this has become more and more efficient in our newer stocks, and 40% of energy is being fed back by IGBT based inverters. Then we have passenger information and display system and platform screen doors for passenger convenience. We have AFC and integrated ticketing systems. We launched Sarathi app in 23, and in January 24 we integrated ticketing with developed by IIT Delhi, enabling seamless metro and bus journeys. Commuters can plan trips with advanced trip planner, interactive route map and chatbot, pay once and for all the trips, and access real-time updates, especially in case of disruptions. Similarly, we also started QR code ticketing, and this was launched in 2024 with IRCTC, Amazon Pay, and this offers contactless purchases. We have also launched multiple generic QR ticket in September 24, which brings us more close to digital solutions. We started Chetna, which is a chatbot for efficient transit navigation assistance. This is an AI-powered system for addressing commuters' queries, needs, and also giving information in case of disruptions. We also have a care software system, which means customer application for relationship and engagement. This helps in redressing the grievances timely. We are also planning for variable composition trains to optimize and give better customer service. These I call as smart trains. Actually, you see that in off-peak period what happens? The frequency, if it is running at 3 minutes, it becomes 6 minutes because so much of demand is not there. But what if we reduce the composition of the train and run at the same headway, that is 3 minutes? It will be beneficial to the passenger and at the same time optimize our rolling stock also. So this is what we are planning for phase 4. We have started our integrated operation control center in Metro Bhavan and a backup at Shastri Park to manage multiple lines and ensure efficient operations. We have enhanced our passenger services by providing flight check-in at New Delhi and Shivaji stations with Air India Limited. In April 2025, recently, we have updated our Sarathi Momentum app and added bike taxis and bookings to provide door-to-door services. Now from your mobile, you can just pick your destination where you want to move. You will be given options for reaching the nearest metro station. If it is less than kilometers, then it will tell you how to go on foot and what time it takes. Otherwise, it provides you with other modes like two-wheelers and three-wheelers, autos, and what time it takes and when it will come. You can track your ride, and similarly at the destination station, again to go to your end destination, you will get a last mile connection, and all you can purchase through your app in one go. So it has become seamless, and we are trying to collaborate. We have recently collaborated with Uber also. We are trying to rope them in to provide services like AC taxis and four-wheelers also, which can again provide the last mile solutions. We have signed various MOUs with various cultural organizations like Ministry of Textiles, Archaeological Survey of India, Surajkund Craft Mela, National Book Trust, ITPO, Delhi Marathon and other events, Mother Dairy, just to promote our culture and these events amongst the people of Delhi. We have also in fact collaborated with French, Costa Rican and Argentinian embassies to provide artwork at our stations. Regarding digital payment solutions, partnering with Airtel Payment Bank and NPCI, we promote National Common Mobility Card for metro, bus and parking payments, thereby reducing the queues. We provide all options to passengers, like multiple media. Here we provide smart card, QR tickets, store value, QR, account-based ticketing, NFC, NCMC, and they can be, and there are multiple payment channels like DMRC Momentum app, One Delhi app, ticket vending machine, WhatsApp, Paytm, Amazon, PhonePe, IRCTC, NCRTC and ONDC. And finally, multiple payment modes like UPI, net banking, credit and debit cards and cash. So we provide all options to our passengers and he can use these at his convenience. These innovations make commuting seamless, sustainable and inclusive, in line with our vision of making customer experience in Delhi Metro a customer's delight. We have bagged Digital Champion Award for Global Transport Ticketing in UK in 2024 and also award for Metro Rail with Best Passenger Services and Satisfaction by Urban Mobility India in 2023. Talking about our partnerships, we have partnered with many government organizations like BEML, RITES, BEL, NBCC, RVNL, IRCTC, NCRTC, Konkan Railway, Mumbai and Chennai Metro. Similarly, we have also partnered with DB, Nippon Koi, Sistra, Kawasaki, Siemens, Alstom, Hyundai Rotem, Deloitte, BCG, and of course, Pedico and JICA. In the field of academics and competency building, we have and R&D, we have collaborated with Gati Shakti University, IIT BHU, IRITEM, FMS, IIM Lucknow, IGBC. Private sector also we have collaborated with many like DIAL, Blue Dart, Urban, Rapido, DRAIPL, CEG, AFCON, L&T. These alliances enhance our capability and foster a unified transit ecosystem. Sustainability initiative by DMRC, I would say sustainability is central to DMRC's strategy. In 2024, we achieved carbon neutral certification for our headquarter office Metro Bhavan, staff quarters at Noida, and line 4 of Blue Line. We have been reducing around 630,000 tons of emission annually by regenerative braking and providing solar panels. Our water conservation efforts, that is use of air-cooled chillers instead of water chillers, and over 1,500 rainwater harvesting pits with a capacity of 26,000 cubic meters has earned us with the Global Water Tech Award 2024. We do energy efficient practices like energy efficient HVAC, LED lighting has helped us in further minimizing our carbon footprint. And these have the potential to rather have made us 15% more energy efficient. And in future, we see trains of light carbon fibers, which would again decrease the light carbon polymers, which would again decrease the, in fact, energy requirement. Also, we have developed the first ever green metro rating for metro systems along with IGBC. And I am happy to share with you that all our phase 3 onward stations are platinum rated and other stations are gold rated, and we are in a process of upgrading them also. Future vision, I would like to tell you that DMRC's future includes completing phase 4 by 2026, that is adding 112 kilometers more and making the network more accessible to the people of NCR. Phase 5 is also on the anvil, and we are doing a survey and proposing what all areas need to be connected with respect to transit-oriented development also. Because here I would like to tell you that DMRC, when started, it was a brown field, so not much of transit-oriented development scope was there. But now, when we go to other areas, we can plan in advance and also enjoy the fruits of this. We internationally also, we consult on metro projects like in Indonesia and Dhaka, we are already there, and we are aiming for other places also to increase our footprint abroad. These are Israel, Copenhagen, and we are trying for Philippines also. So future is all about an intelligent system which can learn, adapt, and respond on real-time basis. And for this, all of you stakeholders have to come up with startups and systems which have this capability. DMRC is transforming urban mobility through innovation partnerships, making it efficient and sustainable. Future-ready metro railways is about convergence, that is, merging mechanical engineering with data sciences, electric systems with softwares, and human needs with machine precision. So together we can create an efficient green transit system and which will tackle the major problem of, in fact, our country at present. And I would also say systems are not only for mobility, but they connect people also at social level. So we are a part of society. I thank you for joining me at this InnoMetro 2025, and I look forward for future collaboration and improvements. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Sir, we can take a few questions. If you have questions, we can take them.
Thank you.
Yes.
It was a pleasure and a delight to hear you, sir. And as Delhi Metro is the mother of metro in India, and we are very grateful that there has been a lot of development. So one suggestion, sir. Sir, as Delhi Metro is into consulting, they are taking a lot of projects globally. So I would like to offer that the gates which we are making in India and also for DMRC, can we brand them as DMRC gates so that the DMRC as a consultant can also pitch for the hardware like the automatic fare collection gates and TVMs under the brand name of DMRC, being a consultant in the global projects?
Actually, definitely, if we get some global opportunities in this, then definitely if we partner with some, in fact, technology provider for the gates, then we can definitely have a joint collaboration.
Sir, as all the gates are now being completely developed in India, and we are among those of them by the brand name of Orient Pro. So the software and the hardware belongs to us as Make in India, and I think there can be an opportunity where we can, like earlier BEL was trying to do the same, but why not DMRC, who is the mother of all metros?
Actually, we are not into manufacturing right now. So, because manufacturing, we leave it to other people. So they will manufacture, we will collaborate with them. So that is why we collaborate with BEL also in these activities.
So on similar lines, sir, I would like to offer the same platform on behalf of my company, and because now we are the manufacturers of AFC gates indigenously in India.
Definitely we will like to collaborate. We can have your credentials and our team can sit together and see how it moves forward.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir, and good morning all present. So I am Mayank Maheshwari, Traction Transformer Design Engineers for Hitachi Energy. So I am the lead designer for this DMRC Phase 4 project for the traction transformer. So my question is related to rolling stock. So further going, we see that there are many projects coming up in metro in all the cities, A class to whether it's B class. So is there any, what are your views, I would say, that to standardize the specification of rolling stock just to reduce the lead time for the development of rolling stock and to implement the metros in all the cities quickly?
In fact, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, which is the parent ministry for metros, they have already, in fact, the team from Metro is working in this regard, and they have almost finalized the standards for this rolling stock, what you say. And not only for rolling stock, they have, we are standardizing in every field so that it is very easy, as you said, and moreover, it is uniform throughout. So this is being done.
Any more questions?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Let's all have a round of applause. And sir, please stay on stage. Now I would like to invite Mr. Sanjeev Sachdev, Managing Director of Aurodhoshi, to please present him with a memento.